Kora na bandi zogu wi kunnem. Sunu one range make up. Mako wo werije. Obu e one day na no so. Woman who just to that against Biafra. But how is Biafra now? We hide against here. Okigwe wala too much. Ndo aye bielo bi mo for too much. Because of on na no. Ya don't could get that with Okigwe government. Ngai no ya. Onye penu wo genje make up. Who are you?
We are not against anybody. I want to use this opportunity to tell the people of the world that Biafra Liberation Army is only fighting for the freedom of every Igbo race. So I want to make it clear, because sometimes people misunderstand us. People don't really understand who we are. We are not human eaters. I have never eaten anybody's flesh before. The only thing we are against are people that are against us. Anybody that is against Biafra Liberation Army, anybody that is against the restoration of Biafra, we are also against the person.
The reason why I have come to debunk that voice note that is going around the social media is that I want Biafrans to know, to understand who is Ebe Kodike. Ebe Kodike is one of the agents of Nigeria who has a contract in order to rehabilitate Fulanis to take over our land. And he is purely working for Fulanis. And the voice that is, that boy, Munatimso, that is reporting to him, is one of his agents, his informants. And I am here also to remind the Biafrans that even Mazi Nnamdi Kanu made it open that no saboteur will live in the land of Biafra.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and wherever you are watching us from. Yes, today being 21st of August 2025, we are bringing this news to you from the steps of Magnetic Jigs TV. Now, this is the news updates. The Musa boys is still seriously fighting with the Biafran Liberation Army in Okigwe. Because remember, we told you that the Musa and the Asari boys has been given a mandate to make sure that they bring in Gentle the Yahoo, dead or alive. So they have surrounded all the Aziz of Okigwe, Arundizog, Obinetiti, Ihube, and the other places in Okigwe. They have surrounded all the area, and they are seriously looking for Gentle the Yahoo, Angel, Makeup, and some other commanders. So the battle is still seriously going on in Okigwe, and we don't know when this is going to last. But there is something so many people do not still understand. When you are being told that Fulani people do invade Okigwe, you say that it is lie, that there is no Fulani in Okigwe. But look at our mothers who experience Fulani threats, or Fulani invaded them, and we are asking them where is their husbands, so that they will buy their husbands.
Nigerian soldiers did this. Alukara because I'm that man you tell man your brother. Your brugit tawo. Look at.
So by then, we were because they say, who was so wappy. Immediately, we were who's the hard jab. We were Dodge was there, Lavaz, Mia, Gakpoa, Sister, your Gakpon down. So, Mark, I say, you, two of us, our husband died. Musa, I would die. How do me for me? For my my husband, they marry me. In order to 2 years, my husband, they die. I born 2 years, they die. That's 2 of us. Our husband, they die. I say, our husband, they die. Madam, let at the end, let the look straight for bush. That they go carry us into bush. Now, Bilizia, I ain't gonna say, and to bush. If I ain't catch a boss, I say, if you run, I shoot you. I ain't gonna say, I ain't go to the jack, we don't have strength again. Go to the jack, but what do I ain't done? It's a hand up a line. So I'm buying the reportazela, a rose or junior man, covered in morning. I signed the look straight. Jekatazie ikebuze montazela la say make una kill me here. Say make so madam you go die you. He la yo ha even though he la yo herself he la pale mo ha. So he la no madam will pull off your cloth. Mbom ha me kwasara here bem no. Pull your cloth. I say look how would am the kwasara nga. If you shut I kill you. I say yes sir. So I can't waste them man, say madam, your hand they clean. Mama can get a leper before my balance about my lila wants. I say, okay, madam, so take a knife, or to take a gun, or to take a dagger. Take a one. You won't take die. Mostly I won't take gun. I say, madam, what of you? I say, I won't take a gun. Gun, man. I say, okay. May we talk the last talk. Where we go talk? May we talk the last prayer.
Say our last prayer.
May we talk say prayer.
So, Biafrans, Angel Makeup came up here to debunk one man who is accusing them of being into kidnapping, of being into terrorism, of being into so many atrocities in Okigwe. There is a man who happens to be a man who said that he is among the citizens of Okigwe, that is youth of Okigwe. They are accusing Simon Ekpa. They are accusing Angel Makeup and Commander Gentle. They are accusing them of bringing into some things that are not needed in their land. Although the man said that he is not against Biafra, the man said that he is for Biafra, but he does not agree with what Angel Makeup and the Gentle boys are doing. He said that he doesn't agree with them, that and he sent a strong warning to Angel Makeup and Gentle to Yahoo to stay clear of Okigwe X. It will be a war between brother versus brother, because the man is from Okigwe and the Gentle Yahoo is from Okigwe. The same thing with Angel Makeup. They are both from Okigwe. So this leader of the youth in Okigwe is accusing them of bringing in a bunny people who are coming in to buy the citizens of Okigwe. So they ask them to stay away from Okigwe. Guys, so many things are seriously happening, in this struggle.
Okigwe durunu kan do woro kai niile. Eji mo hera na achi reply Angel Makeup. Nonsense mo na book, on na net na akoriri. Why are you calling Opus of the money like contract? Which contract can Opus of the money like? Opus of the man know nothing about me and my people. Nya umu Okigwe. Motara ruru na akpa. No jo Okigwe to si jobu onwe ye. Form this security. I want to winde you to Okigwe. Ni ya ruru na akpa. Kaije puta na aru na eme na Okigwe. No do you jo ejiza ha Biafra na nwere onwe na eme na Okigwe. We are the youth of Okigwe. And I win indigene. Otu ahụ gị na Gentle na ndị ọzọ si wuru indigene. That is how we are indigene. And that on ijo here make a mara that na. Arụ niile a na-eme onye bupụtara anyị no. Maka ihe lelu unu severally. Ka anyị mara ma unu ga eri adụdụ onwe unu kụrụ nwa nkụtụ unu n'ahụ. Hapụ ka Okigwe kutu ume unu jụ na-agba mbọ kụrụ mebi Okigwe. Na mbụ ọhamadike Igbo egbe eje jọgụ ndị Igbo onye ndu ndị Igbo Woman say Nnamdi Kanu o si Umuahia the peaceful. Umuahia na azụ Umuahia na azụ ihe niile. Ya the peaceful. Otukwu si Nnewi the very peaceful. Any na na-eme na ala Igbo, other communities, other local government and states, the peaceful than Okigwe. And je make up ma jụọ gị. Ebe ka ị nọ mgbe Okigwe na-agba ọsọ. Asọ ya bere ichekwa Okigwe. And je make up ebe ka ị nọ mgbe e gburu 17 boys in one night in Okigwe. Where are you? The protectors of Okigwe. Ebe ka ị nọ mgbe abụra trust ndị Okigwe ọkụ. Ebe ka ị nọ mgbe abụra mmadụ ike ọkụ. Ebe ka ị nọ mgbe abụra Rogers Park ọkụ. Ebe ka ị nọ mgbe ndị Okigwe na-akwapụsị na-akwago Umuahia. Iru Umuahia today ndị Okigwe wusi ndị eji eme ihe ọchị. Ebe ọ bụla ị hụrụ a na-achụ ụlọ na Umuahia gaa leruo anya ndị Okigwe. Enugu, Owawu Biafra land. Onitsha, Umuahia, Delta, Owawu Biafra land. What is it called? Nnewi, Owawu Biafra land. Owerri, Owawu Biafra land. Ka e mere nke ndị Okigwe ji dị iche. Nwere onwe a, ọ naanị gị na gentle, anyị nwawu ndị Okigwe na-azọ ya. Ihe local government anyị na unu nwe, we will never allow you people to destroy it. Unu banye ama na ụmụ lọlọ, tupu obodo gba ọsọ. Unu bichie n'obodo. Ndị unu kwesịrị protect. Usi ndị gbara ọsọ n'obodo. And you people are comfortable with it. Obodo gba ọsọ. Where were you mgbe a na-akpọ ụlọ na-egbu ndị Okigwe? This is nobody will take security of Okigwe. That you people anwakwala anwa kwuo na ị ga-visit. Ka ọgụ a hapụ iwe ọgụ nkịta na ụmụ anụmanụ. This is why you people killed of his own. We are indigenous. Ami nwere ike ịchụ unu ha ga-enweta unu. Joint task force achụ unu ha ga-enweta unu. Anyị nwa wudi ala. Anyị ma ihe niile na-emenu. Ebe niile anyị nọ. Anyị nwere idea. But ihe ahụ awụ ihe anyị bịara. Anyị na-warn unu ka ikwuru onwe gị ukwu. And then meji ohere a na-eme ka ị mara nje ebe kọp. Anwakwala anwa tili ga nwụọ ga-emepe ọnụ OT sta ahụ. Ma kwuo okwu visit. Ya unu na-aga other community na-penetrate. Unu akwala anwa kpọ OT sta and nature other places ahụ. Within Okigwe South. Nwanne, ịdọta ọgụ ọgakwa adịrị gị isi. Anyị program na-agba ndị izu ọgụ ikwu nne m. Sunu wọlụ enje make up. Maka ogbu owere ije. Ogbue nwanne na-anọ nso. Gụnwa uche tudo adịkwa against Biafra. But arụ ejizi aha Biafra na-akpa we hide against ya. Okigwe anwụọla too much. Ndị anyị ebiere n'obi mmafu too much. Because of unu na-ama anọ. Ya dị unu kwuru ga-abịa were Okigwe local government. Nga anyị nọcha ya, onye kwenu nwoke nje make up. Who are you? Training ole ka ị merele? Combat skill ole ka ị nwere? Formation ole ka ọ dị ka ị mụtara? Ọ maka anyị gbara nkịtị, ha nga boot. Na-ele anya otu ihe si aga, unu ga-aghọta onwe unu. Ya dịzie gị kewa agụ. Nna, anyị nwere ike iyi ọgụ a ebe civilians na-aga anọ. Anyị nwere ike iyi They can recruit Abakaleke. That's all ndị nna nna anyị ha lụọ ọgụ Biafra. Si na ha wụ ndị Biafra. Ya wụsa ndị kpọrọ bịa na-egbu ndị Okigwe. Ndị nna ha bụ empty stomach defend their Biafra land. Lụọ ọgụ Biafra. Ya kwesị ọkọ gba ọsọ. You came to kill us. It will not work. But a chọrọ ime ka ị mara na ọ wụ ndị Okigwe. Ya wụ na ị na-arụ ọrụ dị mma. Ndị Okigwe would have called you and appreciate you. But Okigwe youth rise up on our feet and say, enough is enough. Indigene versus indigene. And this useless threat in the put on Facebook. That they threat in Onyola. Onyola no ego. One day, and we are ready to go. You dress a hammer on Sunday. They will tell you. Came and help prepare the game. I try to that rubbish. I'm not going to yawa. Yo, to lose that we send them mad. Then my video. You wouldn't mad against Sheba. They wouldn't mad against Sheba. I want to do so. You are not a terrorist. Do you know what this terrorist is all about? Now, Jantu Ji, the mad whoop you, one, only Biafra, one only Igbo, very Olu, very Iki. Give away a thing and net. Say, unknown government is working. When has Biafra become unknown government? When did the Biafran soldiers become unknown government? Do you know what is unknown government? People that does not have face. That is unknown government. Then you are now betraying and destroying IPOB, destroying Biafra, destroying people of Okigwe, arwine Islamic countries with Islamic radicals. All these things we will get it. You know, they I want you to bank it. Do you think that we are fools? And Jamaica ma jogging. Isn't it whiter than white? Do you know what it means for one to be whiter than white?
My attention has been drawn over the circulating information, voice notes of somebody, Eze Monachimso, from Umopara Umololo Okigwe, that is reporting to his co-master, Ebekodike. I don't want to respond because it is unnecessary, but there is a reason why I have come up to debunk that. The father of that boy that is parading himself as agent of Ebekodike, his father is one of the top Ebubago commander that stood to fight the men on the ground when we are fighting against Fulanis at Epora. And on the process of the ongoing war in the land of Okigwe, on the process, the father died. And his son started where his father started as giving out information. So to cut it all short, I want the international communities to understand that freedom fighters, we are freedom fighters, and as long that we are fighting for our freedom, nobody has any right to pass any judgment against freedom fighters. We are freedom fighters. And I want those who knew the history of freedom fighters to go and study the history of freedom fighters. I want to use this opportunity to address the international world, the international communities, that there is still ongoing war that is going on in Okigwe, and Olo, as I am reporting this information. There's genocide war that is going on, but the reason why I have come to debunk that voice note that is going around the social media is that I want Biafrans to know, to understand who is Ebekodike. Ebekodike is one of the agents of Nigeria who has a contract in order to rehabilitate Fulanis to take over our land. And he is purely working for Fulanis. And the voice that is that boy, Munatimso, that is reporting to him is one of his agents, his informants. And I am here also to remind the Biafrans that even Mazinam, they can made it open that no saboteur will live in the land of Biafra. So I want Biafrans to disregard that accusations, that allegation, whether those who are using the voice notes to blog or to analyze. No matter the way you analyze that voice note, remember that enemy remains enemy, and all the names, all the voice notes you are hearing are the enemies of Biafra, of which that have worked in one way or the other in order to pull down the men on the ground. Let me ask you, Muna Chimso, don't you know that your father is a gay man? Don't you know that even though that your father is a leader of Ebubago, don't you know that your father is sleeping with other men, even in the same village? Are you not aware? Why don't you tell your master Ebekodike? I am here to debunk you, and I am here also to warn you to desist, because if you don't desist, the gods of the land will strike you dead, because you don't know. You don't know that your voice will come out of social media, and every Kodike of whom you are feeling that you are reporting, you are doing something good too. in order to blackmail us. Nobody can blackmail us. Number one, we are not a terrorist. Go and go about us. We are not a terrorist. Your allegations are baseless. We are not a kidnapper. Your allegations are baseless. We are not a killer. Your allegations are baseless. Our weapons, our arms is not against civilians. But any civilians that volunteer himself to be an informant against us, to be an enemy against what we are doing, against the Biafran struggle we are into, the head of that person will go the same way Nigerian army are going down. The same way Nigerian police are going down. But I want to use also to inform Nigerians, to inform Yorubas, to inform the Southeast, and to inform the international community, for them to understand that the only thing that is selling in Nigeria is lies, propaganda. Nigeria know how to carry propaganda. And that's why I have come to debunk that verse note that DOS, the elders of Biafra, when you watch that verse note, it is only DOS that is carrying that verse note. They are the ones that spread it. And who are the DOS? The people who rebelled against Nnamdi Kanu. The people who work against Simon Ekpa. And the people who hijacked. Who want to hijack what we are doing, but we resist them. So DOS are the agent of Fulanis that the federal government of Nigeria are using in order to destabilize, to bring insecurity into Biafra land. So I want you Biafrans to disregard. I am here by the office of Major General Diawu as Biafrans are also encouraged to pray for Major General Diawu and the other general commanders that for quick recovery. And I believe that Chukokika Biama will never allow Biafrans to cry. And I challenge you that is hearing me to go and carry out the investigations over those who bring the insecurity in Oso. And they are the one now that is bringing the insecurity in Okigwe in order to kill our people. I am here to asking you, dear friends, and all the lovers of freedom, to disregard the propaganda of DOS/Nigeria terrorist government.
So many things are happening in this struggle. The coming days is going to be brutal. The coming days is going to be brutal. I'm telling you guys. Now, the Biafran Liberation Army also video themselves telling people that they are not criminals, they are not terrorists, they are not into any kidnapping. Here they made a video with one of a Yoruba guy who ran into them. And they were able to protect the young man. They protect the young man's car until the young man returned from a little travel he did. And here is the man who came to carry his car. So they are telling people that they are not into any criminality based on what Ebekwedike and some other people are accusing them of.
Yeah, wonderful people of Biafra, lovers of Biafra all over the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending your time zone and location. Today is 19th of August 2025. There is a video I'm going to show you. For those that's calling the Biafran Liberation Army caste snatchers, there is a very brutal war that is going on in Okigwe State all this while. And there is a guy, and this guy is my friend, but there is something that happened. I've been looking for this my guy, but now I now discovered that this guy was rescued from the Biafra Liberation Army camp the day the Zoo military people are fighting war there. So currently now, just watch the video, how they are interviewing the guy and how the guy is saying his mind. That people should just watch this video and share, let it go viral, so that people will not say it's from my mouth. This one is direct from Biafra Liberation Army media office. Please, people should watch and share, let it go viral. Please, all of us are Biafrans.
Yeah, good morning everybody. I am one of the men on ground, and today
We have our brother here. What is your name?
Raymond. My name is Raymond.
Where are you from?
I'm from Lagos State.
As in, what are you doing around Okigwe?
I was driving past. I was coming from Anambra, Oka, and going to Aba. I was using Google Map. Google Map took me past Okigwe.
So when? Since when?
That was last week Sunday. I think that was on the 10th.
On 10th?
Yeah, thereabout on the 10th.
So what happened? What actually happened? Because we are stopping you due to the war. You are hearing about the war since last week.
Yes.
That is going on in Okigwe.
Yes.
Okay. We stopped you and you were overspeeding, and we don't want you to run to the enemies, so that it will not be as if that we did not stop you, we did not warn you. We are the Biafran Liberation Army.
Okay.
Yes, we are the men on ground. So, and we are not afraid. Do we look afraid?
No.
Ever since that time, nothing have happened to your car?
Nothing.
Yes, you came back today. When did you come back to carry your car?
I came back yesterday.
Where have you been all this while? Since that day, since that intent, did anybody hurt you?
No. I left and I came back. I left on my own. I went back to Aba, and I came back yesterday.
Okay, to carry your car?
Yes.
Okay, because the car was spoiled?
Yes, because the tire was damaged, so I had to buy new tires to fix on the car.
Okay, since then, your car has been with us. We have nothing to do with the car. You are an innocent civilian of African continent.
Yes.
Precisely, we are in Biafra land right now. Where are you from?
I'm from Lagos State.
You are Yoruba or Hausa?
I'm Yoruba.
Okay, we have problem with nobody. We are only agitating for the freedom of Biafra, as you can see, and we don't look afraid. Do we look afraid?
No.
Do we look like people that are criminals?
No.
Like, do we look like somebody who will take your thing by force without proper something, without any offense?
No, so far they've not taken anything by force from me.
So I want to ask you, what is your experience now, as you have, where you are with us for some minutes now or some hours ago? Do we look as many people are describing us dangerous? Many people say we are human eaters. Many people say if you come across us, you will never go scot-free. Is that true? I want you to at least...
Well, from my own experience, that's not the case. My own experience has been quite different. So I will speak from my experience. From what I've experienced, that's not true. From what I've experienced, that's not true. They've been fair enough to me. Nobody have hurt me since I've been here.
None of your material, your item is lost?
No, none of my materials is missing.
Okay, thank you very much. Biafrans and the world, people all over the world, I want to use this opportunity to remind you people that the men on ground are not afraid of anything. We are only doing the needful. Protecting Biafra land is our work. And we are Biafran Liberation Army. And we are going to fight this fight to the end. This our brother is from Yoruba land, and we are with him since 10th. And he has go and come back to carry his car. This is not about tribalism. This is about us, we the Igbos, getting our own nation. We are not against anybody. I want to use this opportunity to tell the people of the world that Biafra Liberation Army is only fighting for the freedom of every Igbo race. So I want to make it clear, because sometimes people misunderstand us. People don't really understand who we are. We are not human eaters. I have never eaten anybody's flesh before. The only thing we are against are people that are against us. Anybody that is against Biafra Liberation Army, anybody that is against the restoration of Biafra, we are also against the person. So that is the only different thing between what people are saying and the original self as in who we are. And we are not afraid, we are not hiding ourselves. Thank you very much for watching this wonderful video. Thank you.
So guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.